want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know, so me have a few clippings, you understand? And basically these clippings are from Niah-Gang, Father, my people. So Niah-Gang, Father recently went live on TikTok, my people. You understand? And he might express him feelings, he might showcase him love, and he might thank all of the viewers, you know what I mean, the subscribers, them, the people them who support Niah, you know what I mean, everyone who show love, respect towards Niah, him daughter and him family, throughout the passing and everything, my people. And honestly, my people, you can see this man deep inside the way he must sound him, your son, you know what I mean, up there, but deep down they can see say, him sad, my people, he miss him youth. You get what me I say, my viewers and subscribers. So, I'm not even going to say too much, my people, but just like showcase these clippings, you understand, from the live, you know what I mean, and I'm going to see what I go on. But all I can say from me, myself, man, keep strong, Father, you understand, and hold it, Father, you understand. We know you miss your youth, and I just more and more condolences from me, NEWLINK Production, and the whole team I send out to you, you understand, and the whole family of Niah-Gang, you know what I mean, and hope justice, you know what I mean, justice will come forward, you get me, justice for Niah, you get me. So my people, check it out, and just remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme. Blessings. Check it out.
Bag where on the scene of the thing, see him watch her, I know the blood them dip on it. See him chain here, see blood there if you look good, look, see there. Yeah, and see ring here. Yeah, I hate this, said way, still have it. Still. Don't know when I'm gonna pay to everybody, but guess what now? Me I say, heart of love go to everybody, everyone who send condolences to the family, saying, I may never know, say, I saw Niah did love in the street, Regine. I know plenty people who send condolences, never even see Niah, never even know him apart from on TikTok, and then the next man we say, Niah that you know our XYZ. You see me? And based off of the situation, you don't know, so we grieve. You see it, but as for now, we just want to know, so boy, we want to lay him to rest peacefully, and know, so boy, you know, we just know, so boy, we watch God work him way through. You see? So, the next thing again, I have to say, big up to CPR real G. You see me? Real G. Heart of love go to him. See me? Heart of love go to him. Yeah. Niah make me meet them man, and them man conscience and heart is pure. Even before me even see him do them thing, because I used to see him doing thing before him come on TikTok that way, you see. So when we meet this man, when now said we said to him, because I don't know what the man I used to do long time. You see, yes. But them say when people do good enough, people get holy for harassment. I don't know that. That's just the narrative. See? But right now, CPR is a man him reach out to me. You see, plenty of people who don't know that. But the man reach out to me and I said to him, say, yes, Jack. Right now, you have to just do what you have to do, brother. You have to just do what you have to do. See? I mean, plenty of people come which way, Regine, I tell you the truth. Yes. See? And them man they show me love, them man they show me respect, them man they ever did it for me. Me never call them man they say, yo, why you do this to me, and them man they would have. No. Them man they deal with it as much as you see him full of tattoo there. You see, and music, make them man they have a tattoo, and probably, me wouldn't say TikTok, because you don't think so, but you don't know, you start put on 1 and 2 little tattoo, you get to love that little thing there, and you think so probably that color, they probably look like a good to you, so, you know, you just work with it and you do your music. You see me? Me have plenty video where me have that the man in a studio, me have them on my phone, I do to all of me not really say put them up, but I plenty, whole heap. Because every time I come here and the man go, I whole I studio them, all both. Now the man just go and we just record. Because we know one day they go connect. We know one day people are going to listen. Is it? Yeah. But boy, I don't know what make the man thing ends up quick, brethren. But when me think a father should not bury his son. I can tell a man that when he must know me feel is a son supposed to bury a father. I tell you, see, a son, don't make me use the word son, because I just come in like say boy, me limited thing. It's a child. So whether it's a daughter or it's a son, it's a child supposed to bury them parents. You know, things and the parents supposed to bury them child, because that's what they have where they have to make a thing and we do a thing and then your kids come and your kids follow after you. Yeah, so they say it's supposed to bury Jim. You see? I mean I tell them youth nowadays, brethren, we can do different things. More than result of violence, brethren. You see it? Different thing. Me do a song with him too much murder. See, because probably you don't even know me do the craft too. See it? Me do a song with him too much murder that the youth are campaign. Because we did a campaign in Jamaica, because we hear what go on, we have to Jano, so my time, instead of about a pine finger upon people, we have to just know that we are trying to be a part of the solution to the problem in any which way we can. See, so we do a song on him too much murder, and we are trying to champion it on the road, and we get a whole heap of fight, whole heap of bashing. So we not even as much as say, reach too far out in the street, but we have it on all of the little platform them and the radio them for them start knock it some kind of way. You understand? See? So with the whole heap of thing, brethren, in terms of this crime and violence thing, you see, we write up some slogan, don't keep silent, stop the violence. Or you see the violence, don't keep silent. The officer something, brethren, because we don't say nothing. It'll go wider more than where, like an epidemic, brother. So it'll go wider more than what we think. I know when we have a look at it and say it's serious, when it drop on your doorstep. You see, right now, me know that it's serious a long time. That's why you hear me sing all them kind of songs and I lick out on it and, yo, I don't even know, man. I tell you right now, I'm there, man, you even know. Cold bomb, brethren. You see it, and you see me I sweat. You see it. So, me do them thing there. Me don't know so the thing I will reach my doorstep. And I reach my doorstep so quick, brethren. Yeah. You see, enough people that on the life, you know, so probably know have loved ones dead, yes, like a cousin, and probably a far cousin, and all them things there. But if you know have somebody who, like a son, or who a brother, who are close to, and them things, you don't even know the feeling.
I have team, I have security team, and we're in my chat, man. I have security team, right? And follow the piece so they can go by the door. Right? Look for me, starting now, look for this. Alright, I'm moving now.
If you love God, don't skip the video here. Yeah, man, I just make you know so Father God I watch over you here. A whole heap of people want kill about the Father God you're shielding in the war. In real life, man. I hear that. Yeah, man, I get a message for telling you say, yo, 2025 and more riches and blessings, man. You see the simple thing that man, your blessing, man. Just try to be good at all time, and I hear that. Remember me telling you in the last video, you know. Yeah, man. You go there until 2025. As long as you're there, watch the video same way. So, man, say, remember me tell you, simple thing, them are your blessing, dog.